guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know you missed me, and I missed you too. I have a lot of stories to share with you, but now today let us just walk around and see what the earth has for us. And when I talk about a lot of things, not necessarily like a lot of things, for those who have visited the safari, the Nairobi Safari Walk, you know that actually the main reason why we went there to take pictures. And now we were like, no, let us now pretend like we are tourists. Okay, we had to walk around and see what they had. And let me say, as much as we took a lot of pictures, nice pictures for memory, ujinga. So unaona ipi hapa ndio unafaa upige picha. Hapa iko na view fiti sana. Stop! Babe. Ngekati kwa kakiatu na mjangu tu kidogo na basi. Kidogo tena hapo. Ndio atapeleka na hiyo van yake. Sign kuna madigara chia. Hiyo channel. Nifanye hivyo basi. Ero. Okay.